Patricia from Trisha's Lovely Creations, and today I'd like to share a tip with you. We're going to be making bead rack boxes, and they're real simple to do, and they're really cheap to do. All you need is some cardboard boxes, a cutting tool, a hole punch, some trimmers, dowel rod, and a craft knife or scissors. And I've already started on this one here, but I'm going to show you how to do it from the beginning. So what you'll need is a box, and you'll need to cut the tops off with your craft knife or scissors. Okay, now that that's done, you need your hole punch. And you want to make sure you get the sides fairly even, because you want to take the hole punch as far down as it will go, and that's where it will stop, and you'll be even on both sides. But if that don't happen, that's no big deal. You can still line it up. Now on this one, it's fairly tall, so I want it for my long beads, so I'm just going to do one rod in this one. So I'm going to do it fairly close to the top. Put your hole punch in there. There you go. Take your dowel rod. Make sure you're measuring correctly. You get it in roughly the same spot on the other side. You can kind of mark it if you want to. Or like me, I don't have a back side on here, so it rests on the little lip there, so I can tell if I'm straight. I just kind of rest it in there, and then I know where I need to be. Let's see. Well, don't fall out of there. Work with me here. That looks good. I do believe maybe up just a touch. Okay, pull that out. Punch the hole. And there you go. Okay, now we want to cut that off. I need a new blade on here. These are fairly easy to go through. I'm using barbecue skewers for weenie roasts. Simple. Broke right through there. And then I've got these scraggly bits here, and I just take my snippers, snip those pieces off. There we go. Looks good. So that's the tall one. I'll show you how to do the double. Like I said, I've already put one rod through there. The other rod is too short, so I'm going to need a new rod, which I just happen to have sitting here. So, I cut crooked on here, so I want to be really careful how I do this, so I don't end it up all lopsided. Okay, let's see, I think I'll start on the side that's right. Kind of guesstimate how far down I want to go. And I think that looks good. I cut wrong over here. Very wrong. And I'll use it to measure it where I need to be. Make sure I'm straight. Don't pull out. See, nothing wants to cooperate with me today. I think that looks good right there. Maybe for just a skosh. Right there. That looks good. Punch it. Put it through. Take my blade. And cut it off. Stay in line on that one. There we go. That one is actual wood instead of bamboo, so I don't have all them scraggly bits hanging off of there. There we go. There's that. It looks crooked on camera. Let me get my beads and I'll show you how they look hanging in it. One and another. If I can find it. There we go. And there's our bead racks. Very inexpensive to make, but a vital tool if you want to glaze your beads and not have it take you all year. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please like, share, comment, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.